What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. All right, so today what I want to talk to you guys about is how exactly do you go to a bank and get a car, okay? Now, what I'm going to be speaking about is going to be under your business credit, right? But you can also apply this under your personal as well, but you just have to use a different strategy. Okay, but what I'm talking about is actually going to be on the business side, because I want to show you guys not only how to do it, but I'm going to also show you guys how to max out. All right, that's important. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. Most people are doing the same thing, but they're doing it differently. And that's what separates the people who are up here, quote unquote, and the people who are down here, quote unquote, right? It's all perception. But it's all how you perceive things and how you go about things. So today I want to talk to you guys about structuring a business, right? So of course you need your business structured properly. That's super important. That's really like 50% of the battle. And also you want to make sure your business is built properly. You want to have nav.com. You want to have a few other trade lines posted on your business, right? Whether if it's gas cards or different bank cards or different things like that, right? You definitely want to have different accounts posted because you want your credit on the business side built. Also, you want it structured properly. Then you can qualify for getting a vehicle, right? Now, the bank that I would recommend that you guys go to qualify for a vehicle is Bank of America, right? And I know you guys are like, hold on, Frank. You always tell me to go to credit unions. Now you telling me to go to Bank of America. Come on, man. But I got to let you guys know, man, because Bank of America has the best financing for vehicles. They have the best financing for vehicles. Now, credit unions, they're awesome. You can get great limits with credit unions for auto loans and things like that, as you guys know. But what Bank of America has to offer is you can get 4 vehicles under one loan. You can get 4 vehicles with Bank of America, guys. 4, right? So if you're going with your business structured properly, if you're going with your business built properly, you can literally go in the bank and get finance for 4 vehicles, okay? Now, let's say you like, well, I got 1 vehicle that I need. How many vehicles do I need, right? Now, what you can do is you can take the other 3 vehicles and start you a side business. You can start you a side rental business, right? So now you got 4 vehicles on average. Let's say you pay $500 a month for those 4 vehicles, right? That's $2,000 a month. Now you got 4 vehicles you're paying $2,000 a month for, and you're driving 1 of them. Okay, so that means you got 3 vehicles that you don't know what to do with. Okay, now I'm going to tell you guys a little tool that you can use called the internet, right? To where you can rent those vehicles out. Remember, Hertz, Budget, Enterprise, all of them. What are they charging? $150, $200, right? Base rate for compact vehicles. I got to pay $400 for an SUV, right? So the name of the game is beating their price. When you're an independent worker and you're going against a company like that, those companies, they're gonna file fees on you. So they're gonna say it's $150, but by the time you finish, you're gonna be paying $278. Plus they ain't gonna put no gas in there for you. So you already paying $350 before you even drive anywhere. You're already paying $350, right? Just for that. Now, you can easily beat that price. So if they're charging $200 for this compact car, you got 3 cars you could charge $125 a day for. $100 a day if you really want to be frank. But let's say you do $125 a day with those 3 cars. That's $375 a day. Okay? Well, let's keep it even so I can really do the math like real smooth. So let's say $100 a day, you got 3 cars, right? Let's say those 3 cars are booked out 20 days out the week. Okay? They're booked out 20 days out the week at $100. Okay? That's $6,000 a week. Literally. That's $6,000 a week. Now, when you have that type of income, you have that type of cash flow, that $2,000 payment, and remember, you're driving 1 of them. You making that off 3 cars, just you driving one of them, right? So you making $6,000 off of 3 cars and you paying a $2,000 note. That's $4,000 you cash flowing that you don't have to touch. You don't have to do anything. $1 million property costs $4,000 a month. Keep that in mind. A $1 million property costs $4,000 a month. So with that play alone, you can literally pay for 4 cars and a mansion. Just with that one play. Okay? I'm not talking what you can do with credit cards, what you can do with loans, what you can do with line of credit, what you can do with your personal, what you can do with your business, what you can do on anything as far as real estate, what you can do flipping your money, because you're going to clearly have extra money, right? I'm not speaking on any of that. Just that one play alone. Just that one thought, that one LLC can get you that alone. All right? Now listen, guys. This is what I offer. These are the type of things that I offer. A different variety of things, different packages. Now, this is just a brief indication on what you can do. It's much more sauce to that. But I like to give you guys the baseline to just start making some money. All right, I got people in my program. They're on their way. Okay? Now, I need you guys. I want to use this channel as like a launch pad. Right? So constantly people are coming. That's why I update you guys every about 6 months on what's going on in each topic, each category, so that you guys can stay up to date. Because if there's a new person coming to this channel, I want to immediately show them how they can be making some money, right? Then when you come to me, you already ready. You ready to go. All right, that's what I need. I need motivated people. I need people who are ready to go. I need people who are ready to learn. And I also need people who are ready to apply. All right, the people who've been hitting me up and things like that, that I have already a relationship with, love you guys, man. I love what we're building. All you other guys, step it up, man. Let's go. All right, step it up. Let's go. Who gonna get rich this year? Man, drop I'm getting rich this year in the comments if you getting rich this year, right? If it's gonna take you 365 days from today, that's still a year. All right. So drop. I want to see who got the confidence. Let's go, man. It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. I'm out.